Importance of understanding the self in my future career as an engineer. Choosing a career involves different factors such as in knowing yourself, values, interests, personality, and skills. Choosing the right career path is important for satisfaction, financial stability, and personal growth. By identifying these factors and researching career options, individuals can make an informed decision about their career path. Knowing myself and choosing my career as an engineer help me have a clear and accurate preparation of who am I, including what are my capabilities, my strengths and weaknesses, feelings and motivation. I found myself enjoying thinking outside the box and applying it to the real world. I also like knowing mathematical questions, creating, exploring and discovering. Being self-help, we develop a plan can make my career decision right. Aside from knowing me, recognizing what my value helped me focus, narrowed my option. The moral principles, the values knowing engineering practices includes integrity, accountability, respect for man and life, property, and concern of public safety welfare. First, integrity and honest on engineers uphold transparency and truthfulness in professional instruction.